There are a number of ways that I help injured people. And again, the first thing is what kind of case do they have? Because the law regarding workers' compensation is completely different from the laws regarding car wrecks or premises liability, slip and fall cases, or when someone's dog attacks someone and causes serious injury, nursing injury, or hospital negligence, those sorts of things. The law is very different for each of those scenarios. But one thing that is important in all those scenarios are it really comes down to the most basic question, and that's your health and your body. How bad's the injury? If it's the kind of thing you can make a quick and full recovery from, maybe it's best you just move on with your life and not deal with the stress of litigation. It was a significant event in your life, cause financial hardship. Heaven forbid, it's the kind of thing that, you're never going to really recover from. If you lost enjoyment of life, had a serious leg or hip or pelvis injury, you can't ride your motorcycle anymore, or you can't ride your horse anymore, that matters. That's a significant change in your life. Now, not every case that I pursue is, involve a life-changing permanent injury. Sometimes it's a situation where, yes, there's a full recovery, but man, it took a long time, weeks, months, years. Those are cases that, I'm happy to help people with. But the first thing that I do in assessing a case is let's talk about how you were hurt, how you were injured, and let's talk about the types of injuries that you've had. And we'll sit down and we'll go through those together. I give folks a candid assessment. And if I tell them I think this is a case that you should pursue, I'm happy to help you. I will. If it's a case where I'm going to be candid and say, I don't think this is the situation that I can do enough for you that it justifies my involvement. I'm going to say that also. I'm going to kind of tell you, just like I tell my neighbor or like I tell my brother or sister.